Hello crafty friends, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a very short one and it's just a showcase of a few cards I made using BETTERPRESS, BETTERPRESS plates from Spellbinders. They're very nice. And I use for all cards, I made 6 cards, I use 2 different techniques. So for every plate, I 2 different techniques. So this one, so pretty, is called Butterfly Bouquet, and I just think it's gorgeous. And I did not I did not press the butterfly. I cut it off. You'll see. And this one is called Kaleidoscopic Flowers. That is very intricate and absolutely gorgeous. It was a lot of work to watercolor. And this one is called Poppy Greetings. It was on the Better Press of the Month for January 2024. And now let's start with the cards. So I'm gonna start with the poppy one that I just simply better press in green and watercolor with 2 type of red and a purple, I think. And simply watercolor, nothing special. I add some black splatter on the back and I die cut this beautiful sentiment from Jana's Makula set that I'm gonna list below, and the other one is from I think another plate. I don't remember which one. I add some black sequins. Oh gosh, I never learned. Anyway, that match my black line on the side. Now for the second card, same plate but different technique. I use the lazy technique, so I just apply I just blend some color with a brush, blending brush, in the center of the flowers and some green one on the top of the little buds. I splatter some more color, I splatter water, you can see I spray water, so it's giving this halo beautiful effect. Again, Jana's Makula sentiment that is so lovely. And I matte the card with the black cardstock to give it these elegant frames. I had a couple of gold pearls, and that's it. I think it came out really nice. It was quite quick and fun to to put together. And these are 2 different technique for this card, for this plate. Now for my second card for let me move this one away. For this plate, the kaleidoscope one. Again, the first one I simply better press in a blue color, I think it was azure, and then I just watercolor every single little bits. That was a lot of work, I can tell you that. It was fun, relaxing. Then what I did, I add some black sequence because I wanted to decut the sentiment in black. I think it's striking. It looks really nice. I matte again the card with black cardstock. This sentiment comes from another plate, I think, or a dice. I don't remember, but I will link below. And now, same plate, different technique, the lazy one. I just apply color on top of it with a blending brush with every single flowers and leaf. It was too flat, so I went in with the gold accent. So I went around the flowers edges and on the centers of the small one, and they gave it a bit more interest. I matte in gold. It's a lot of gold here, and the sentiments as well, and on the sequence. So a lot of gold. It's not my favorite, this one, but I think I prefer the other one is more striking in my eyes, and but you know, different taste. Maybe someone like this one better. Let me know. Now, the third plate I used, I that is the butterfly, yeah, the butterfly one. I better press in just in the corner twice. I color with watercolor, and I add some sparkling Winkostella. I don't know if you remember the Winkostella on the flower, just to give a bit more shine, but not much. You can't really see on the video, I'm afraid. Then I matte in gold, I splatter in gold. The sentiment I left it in black, and I add some half pearl in gold as well. So that's one. Second one, lazy one. I add the three colors. I add the peacock feather, raspberry, sorry, picked raspberry, and the peacock feather that create this beautiful purple in the middle, and picked raspberry and wild honey, I think it was, or mustard seed, that create this lovely orange. Now again, I bleach the watercolor with water, so I just went on top of it, and again it was a bit too flat, so I had some Winkostella, and then again the same sentiment set, beautiful, and that yellow come from another plate, and that's it. Again, I matted in black, so two different card with the same plate, two different technique. And here all my cards together. Please let me know what you think is it come out the best, and if you need to see any tutorial about it. I was just craft around and experimenting, playing with watercolor. For watercolor I use the same inks, the distress inks, with the I spread some in a block, and I watercolor like that. So, and then the last two cards here, the puppies, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely, lovely weekend. I might make another video one of these days. So probably I'll see you soon. And thank you so much again. Have a lovely, lovely rest of the day. Bye.